Ever wonder how to create your own AI agent that can perform tasks for you? In this video, I will show you how to build an AI agent that enhances code quality by refactoring and optimizing it for better readability, maintainability, and performance. What is an AI agent? AI agents are dynamic automation systems that take action based on triggers. Unlike traditional if-then-else workflows, AI agents leverage a large language model (LLM) as their brain, enabling them to make decisions dynamically instead of following rigid pre-programmed rules. For example, a chatbot is asked, "Which plan should I choose?" Instead of providing a generic response, the AI agent analyzes the user's previous purchases and recommends the most suitable option. So, what's the plan? Step 1. Create an AI agent. Step 2. Develop a front end and integrate it with the AI agent, making it publicly accessible. Simple. Let's get started. There are many platforms available for creating an AI agent, but the easiest one I have found, offering the most pre-credits, is Lyzr Studio. So today I will be using Lyzr Studio to build my AI agent. Step 1. Sign up and create an account. To get started, you will need access to a platform where you can build your AI agent. The good news is that Lyzr Studio is free to use. Anyone can sign up and receive 500 credits to kickstart their journey with AI agents. Once you have signed up, log into your Lyzr Studio to begin. After logging into Lyzr Studio, the next step is to create my AI agent. The process is straightforward. I will simply click on the Build Agent button, which will take me to the AI agent creation wizard. Here, I will fill out the form with all the necessary details. Agent name. I will name my AI agent Refactor Bot. Description. An AI agent for refactoring my programming code. LLM provider. I will select ChatGPT. LLM model. I will choose GPT-4o Mini. The next two fields are crucial as they define the agent's role and how it will perform its tasks. AI agent role. You are Refactor Bot, an AI that optimizes and refactors code for better readability, maintainability, and performance while preserving functionality. Agent instructions. This field requires a robust prompt outlining all the instructions the AI agent needs to follow to perform the intended task. Since my prompt is quite detailed, I will leave it in the description. You can copy it from there. If you are unsure how to write a detailed prompt, simply jot down all the instructions in your own word just as you have them in your mind. Then click the Improve button. The Lyzr Studio will refine it for you. Next, I will move on the feature section. Lyzr offers a variety of features that can be added to the AI agent. From this list, I will enable long-term memory, which allows my AI agent to remember details from our conversation. Once that done, I will click the Create button. My AI agent is now ready. Let's test it. I have a sample code. Let's give it to our AI agent and see what we get as an output. Looks like our AI agent is working as intended. If you want to create your own AI agent, check out the first link in the description and the pinned comment. Lyzr AI makes building AI agents easier than ever. Don't miss out. So we have created this AI agent, but right now only I can use it. How about I make it public so others can use it too? To do that, I need to create a front-end website and connect it to this AI agent. Sounds complicated, right? Well, it's not. We will build a website and integrate it with our AI agent without writing a single line of code. For this, we will use LOVABLE.dev, an AI tool that will generate all the code, create a sleek website, and seamlessly connect it to our AI agent. All we need to do is provide it with a well-crafted prompt, and it will handle the rest. Let me show you how. Visit lovable.dev and sign up, which is free. Once you do that, next you have to do the same thing that you do on the daily basis in your life. Give it a prompt. I have already created a prompt. As it is pretty detailed, I will leave it in the description where you can copy it. At the end of the prompt, I provided the curl details which will connect the website to the AI agent. Now you might be wondering, where did I get this curl information for my AI agent? To find it, revisit Lyzr Studio. Go to the AI agent you want to connect to your front end. In my case, it's Refactor Bot. And click on the button labeled Agent API. Then navigate to Inference. And you will find the curl details there. Just copy them from this section. Now, let's start the process of creating a website for our AI agent using lovable.dev. As you can see, the tool has started working. It will generate the code and organize it into a proper file structure, creating directories and files for you. This might take some time. If we encounter an error, simply pressing the button will allow Lovable to debug it automatically. In just a few minutes, our website has been created. The UI looks sleek and it features 3 buttons at the top. The first button refreshes the page. The second button is for entering your API details, which you can retrieve from the curl information I showed you earlier in Lyzr Studio. Let's check if there is a dark mode toggle. Yeah, it's there. Now let's test the chat functionality and see if our AI agent is successfully connected. To do that, let's give it a simple prompt. Hi, what can you do for us? Alright, now let's try something more challenging. I will provide a PL SQL code with some bugs and see if it can debug it. Here's a PL SQL code I wrote that has some bugs. Can you fix it and also summarize it for me? And there it is, it worked. This confirms that we have successfully connected our AI agent created in Lyzr Studio to the front end built using lovable.dev. Without writing a single line of code, we now have a fully functional website. If you would like to make it public, simply press publish and your website will go live. You can even connect it to your own domain. Lovable provides that functionality too. And that's how you can create your first AI agent, build a website for it, and publish it for the world to see. How easy was that? If you want more videos on how to build a business with AI agents, drop a comment and let me know. I will bring more such content for you. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.